Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a drink called Mosh Pit. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And hit that notification bell for more beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So, Surly Brewing Company is located in the heart of Minneapolis. They've been pushing the boundaries of traditional brewing since 2006 with a knack for bold flavors and innovative brews. Surly is all about challenging the norms and sparkling excitement. So the brewing process, when it comes to making their Mosh Pit hazy IPA, Surly Brewing does not hold back. They use a unique blend of hops and malts, infusing the brew with loads of flavor right from the start. The brewing process is carefully monitored and maintained that perfect haziness and juiciness that hazy IPAs are loved for. My hands are cold. It's cold in here. So the appearance. Let's get to the appearance here. I've never had this before, so I have no clue what it's going to look like. There she is. Now you'll notice it pours a striking hazy appearance, and it pours a cloudy golden orange with a fluffy white head that just screams, dive in. It's like a little bit of cloud party in your glass, inviting you to take that first sip. Oof. Oof. Well, here goes. Well, either I'm tasting better at tasting IPAs, or I'm getting used to these. So Mosh Pit hits you with a burst of tropical fruit flavors like mango and pineapple. And there's some citrus there too. And it's got a smooth, creamy body that balances perfectly with a hoppy bite at the end. Ain't bad. You know, if you've been watching this channel, you know I'm not a person that loves IPAs. But if they're balanced really good, meaning they don't have a ton of hops and everything else is so little, all you taste are hops, those are tough to drink. This is a fruity, tropical, citrusy drink, and it's fairly well balanced. So the ABV of this beer is a 7.2, and I looked everywhere I believe even on the can, for the IBUs, and we cannot find them. Can't find them anywhere. And if you Google this beer, the whole page, none of them have the IBUs on it. None of the websites. So they keep that a secret, I guess. But and I don't think it has a lot, because the hops are not screaming out at me. I mean, it's a fruity drink. And this is an IPA that's more fruity than hoppy. And that makes me happy. I like it. I'd hate to think I wasted a lot of money on something I'm going to have a hard time choking down. Some of them extreme hoppy ones, these are tough. So this hazy IPA are all about that juicy, fruit-forward flavor with a soft, smooth body. They're typically less bitter than traditional IPAs and have become hugely popular for their approachable and flavorful profile. So ratings and reviews. Mosh Pit has snagged some solid ratings and rave reviews from beer enthusiasts. It's praised for its balance of flavor and drinkability, making it a hit in the craft beer community. Whether you're a seasoned IPA lover or new to the scene, Mosh Pit's got something for everyone. I will say, I like it. And it is a fruity tropical drink. So if you love beer that is just a traditional tasting beer and want nothing to do with the fruits, this ain't for you. But if you're thinking about getting into IPAs, this might be one to start with. I'm not a big fan of IPAs, but I don't hate them all. And I know I shouldn't say that, but this one's drinkable for somebody like me. And I'm kind of glad I got it, because of all the IPAs, this one's probably the most drinkable. And it's a pretty strong one too, at 7.2. I like it. So I would rate this Mosh Pit. I'm sure the IBUs are not on here. But if I were to say, I would say the IBUs are right around 35 or 40. They're not strong. They're not overwhelming. They're very drinkable. So I would rate this. I mean, it's not my thing, but it's good. Just because it doesn't taste like the normal beer doesn't mean it's not good. So So I'd say it's good. And I would say this is rated as a 7. Gets a 7 for me. And it's cool. These guys are from Minnesota here, up in Minneapolis, I think. So yeah, that's cool. So that's probably going to do it here for me. If you find a good deal on this stuff, and you like IPAs and never had it, you'll probably love it. It's very good. That's fruity and juicy, but it's very good. So I think that's going to do it. And remember, we are on a campaign to get to 1 million subscribers. And we're a long way to go. So help us out and subscribe. Till next time, have a good one. Peace. Thanks for joining us.